What's up guys, this is Vergel. Welcome back for another video. So today I wanted to demonstrate how to activate and use launch control on a BMW M3. So there's actually a couple of different ways to activate it. One will be changing each individual setting manually, or you can have them all already preset on one of your M drive buttons like I do. So I will be demonstrating it on my 2017 M3, which has a competition package. It's also got a double clutch transmission. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the car, we're gonna let the engine warm up. You might have to drive it for a couple of miles so the engine can warm up properly. If you just turn it on and you try to activate it, it's not gonna let you. All right, so the first way I'm gonna show you would be by changing each setting individually. So the first thing we're gonna do is, after the car is warmed up properly, we're gonna turn off all traction control. We're gonna hold this button for 2 seconds. So then on your screen, it's gonna show DSC inactive. So the car is on neutral now. We're gonna press and hold the brakes, and we're gonna press the shifter twice to the right. So now it's on manual. All right, so with all traction control off and the car in manual, we're gonna press and hold the brake again, and we're gonna press the accelerator. Checker flags are gonna come out, and now you're ready to launch. Now, if you wanna bring up the RPMs on the left-hand side right over here, you can just press it a few times, and every time it presses it, it's gonna start bringing them up. Now you can bring them up to 4,000, 5,000, whichever you want. Me, I just leave it in 3,000, which it does just fine with that. All right, so the other way to activate launch control would be by having all of your settings preset already. So to preset, we're gonna go to menu, we're gonna go to my vehicle, and you can pick either or. I just have it on M Drive 2. M Drive 2, we're gonna have DSC turned off. Engine, chassis, and steering I have it all in Sport Plus. Transmission, we're gonna have it in S3, which is manual. And now we're ready. All right, so now what we have to do is we're gonna press the M2 button. We're gonna press it once. On the screen, it's gonna ask you to confirm. You're gonna press the M2 button again, and now we're ready to launch. So just hold the brakes, hold the accelerator down, and we're ready to go. All right, so now we're gonna do a quick 0 to 60 launch. We're gonna activate launch control. We're gonna press and hold the brakes. We're gonna press the accelerator. Now we're ready to go. And Alright, so there you have it guys, how to use launch control on a BMW M3. If you feel like if I missed anything on this video, please comment down below and let me know. I really appreciate any feedback, any positive or negative feedback. I take both. So thank you guys for watching and hope you all have a great week.